Hey, this is Pierre Drago talking. Let's see how Copilot can help me to create a PowerPoint presentation from scratch. What is hard with PowerPoint is to be concise, so your audience can hear and listen to you, be focused on what you're saying. So you don't want to make a lot of slides with a lot of bullet points. So let's try it. I'm going to create a slide deck, pretty simple slide deck to present teams for C-suite. Okay, I'm going to use Copilot. Hopefully it will work. And ask Copilot when it's ready to create a presentation from scratch, not from a file, for C-suite explaining the benefits of Microsoft Teams in 20 slides. Let's say the company is in health care. So I give some context, not only explain what I want to do, what the benefits, explain the benefits for the business of Microsoft Teams. I explain, what the output should be and the context of the company. So I try to feed the prompt with more context so it can be tailored to my context. So let's see what comes out of it. Again, let's be patient. And let's see if the result is of quality. I hope so. I hope it will work. There's nothing strange in this prompt. And we have some things. So we have a nice slide with a video. Better communication, okay. Improve collaboration, yes, I agree. Task management, patient care, okay. Secure platform, so talk about HIPAA. It's really, uh, it really contextualized to to my prompt. Integrations with EHR and healthcare systems, that's true. Training, some case study. So I might revisit some of them, best practices, key takeaways, and Q&A. That's great. So now I'm gonna do some sculpture. I'm gonna deconstruct that. So I'm gonna ask the same question. Maybe I should go back here. Ask the same question and say, I have a C-suite, so 5 slides might be, I don't know, should we say start with 10 slides or 5 slides? Let's try 5 slides. They don't have the time to listen to that, so let's try to make it concise. So it tells me, oh, you already started something. You want to create a new draft? Yes, that's what I want. Exactly. I want to replace all of this with a new draft. So not only it was able to do a long deck, but hopefully it's doing a short deck. So let's see the short deck. Care, Teams enables care, Teams connection in real time, instant messaging, collaborate with colleagues, stay connected to patients, good summary, efficient management, real time, streamline, secure sharing, enhance patient experience, virtual consultation. Yeah, it takes all the use cases, increase security and compliance. So it summarized the first one in a smaller one. And so I'm way more efficient having Copilot to help me draft from scratch and eventually, you know, fine tune my presentation by asking new prompts. And I can also add a slide on cost benefits. Maybe that will interest them. So I don't know if I should have said the team's cost benefits or if he will understand that it's in the context of my previous request. We'll see. Cost benefits of Microsoft Teams. So I have operational cost, productivity, travel cost, paper-based cost, downtime cost. It's pretty awesome. I think it's really awesome. It helps you to have a dialogue with Copilot and adjust your slide deck with some prompts. And the key here is to prompt with context and the kind of output you want and fine tune to figure out what you need. And what is interesting, it's not only creating the slides, but as you can see, you have the footnotes. So it creates some footnotes to illustrate what you can say over the slide. For each slide, there's some footnote. So let's play with Copilot more. It's gonna change our lives, especially when you're creating decks and we know that it's difficult to summarize a deck. We want to put the maximum of information and might not be the good thing to do. So Copilot can help you in that process. Hope this was insightful and exciteful.